Hi everyone, this is Prince. Today we're going to talk about a disease called infectious mononucleosis. This disease is popularly known as the mono or the casein disease. Okay, so starting from the description of the disease, infectious mononucleosis is a contagious lymphatic system disease which is easily transmitted through saliva. So a lot of people call it the casein disease because of this reason. It transfers, it is transmitted easily by saliva. The disease can be acquired at any age. It doesn't matter how old you are, you can acquire it. But it is known to be very popular among teenagers and young adults. The causative agent of this disease, um, it is caused by Epstein-Barr virus or the EBV. This virus is a member of the herpes virus family. It is also known as the herpes virus. EBV is all over the world. Virulence factor of this disease is known to be latent. The EBV is able to stay dormant once it enters the human body for so many years. After the virus enters the human body, it injects its DNA into the host cells, so it is never eliminated. Signs and symptoms of this disease include sore throat, fever, rash, head and body pain, and fatigue. These are the common symptoms of this disease. But if you're talking about the less common symptoms, we have you may experience swollen liver or swollen spleen. Sometimes you may experience both. You may also experience swollen lymph nodes in the neck or in the armpits. Depending on each individual, symptoms may last for 6 months or more. We have some other people who also get better between 2 to 4 weeks. Mode of transmission. This disease is the mode of transmission of this disease could be direct contact, indirect contact, and then parenteral. Saliva, as we all know, is the main or the primary mode of transmission. Transmission can also occur through body fluids, sexual contact, organ transplant, and blood transfusion. The way this disease is diagnosed, mostly we use physicians use blood count. This blood count may show XX white blood cells than normal. A typical lymphocyte. This is the unusual looking of the lymphocyte. Lower platelet count and abnormal liver function. Looking at the ways to prevent the disease and the treatment, there is no vaccine available right now to protect ourselves from this infectious mononucleosis. The recommended way to protect ourselves is to avoid sharing foods, drinks, and personal items, including toothbrush with infected people. Symptoms may be relieved by taking in more fluids to stay hydrated, get enough rest, taking medications for pain and medication for fever. And once you get infected with the disease, I suggest, or it is suggested that you avoid kissing in order to not to transfer the diseases to those who haven't acquired the disease yet. So I think that's it.